Hey there, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team, where we specialize in investment real estate only in the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa markets. This is the last day of the second quarter, the last day of June. It's been a fantastic 6 months for us, unbelievable. We're on a record pace at this point. It's because of you, the investor. You feel like that this is the thing to do right now. Now, in that respect, I do webinars for people in our database. So we had one on Friday. A lot of people were there. It was a fantastic turnout. I love doing these because it gives me an hour, or if people want more time, I'll stay on the line, to really talk about everything that's going on. What's going on economics, demographics in the Oklahoma City Tulsa market, interest rates, deals that are going on, whatever it happens to be. We do these about every 2 months now. So it's something that typically happens on a Friday or Saturday. We kind of let our investors kind of help us out about what day is the best. And that way you know more about the market. You get some education. I think that's extremely important. Now, in that, in that webinar, I talked about interest rates, and it is on a positive note. We like good news, right? So about a few weeks ago, people were uncertain of the tariffs, the immigration, the war, Iran-Iraq. With Israel, is it going to get worse? And so for a 30-year mortgage with a buy down for an investor, it was 6.5% with 25% down. Today, it is 5.99% and 5.875% with 30% down. And the bond market is improving again today. Now, the 10-year treasuries are improving because the tariffs are a nothing burger at this point. We've had one agreement with England, which we have a surplus on. If you remember, this was based on trade deficits, which we don't have with England. There was supposed to be a 145% tariff on China, a very important trading partner with us. That's from Liberation Day. Well, from my end, what I can see from the deal, it's the old deal. It's the same deal that Trump did, the same deal that Biden did. So nothing is really happening there. And so that's very positive news. And with the Israel-Iran war, which the United States has now participated in, uncertainty is a flight to quality. The flight to quality is the 10-year treasury. That's our benchmark. And because of that, mortgage-backed securities are getting better. We're hoping soon, if this trend continues, to be able to get you 5.75. We're not going back to 4% COVID. That isn't going on. But 5.75, trust me, in Oklahoma with our outstanding low prices, it's really something. Now, also we talked about in the webinar deals that we had. And we're getting deals in June, and we haven't had this since pre-COVID. So we were really pleased about that. Give you an idea of what we have. In the Oklahoma City metro area, get this, a 1,703 square foot, 3-bedroom, brand new home, really nicely built, say $219,900. That's normally what a 1,290 square foot home sells for. And I have others like that. So we were getting these deals. We were getting interest rates with D.R. Horton for 5.5% in Tulsa. So deals, that's just a couple of examples, and that's the information we try to give out so that people know about that. Now, the last thing we do is FAQs. Frequently, I have trouble with that word, ask questions. And so what we compile is the most important ones for the last 30 days. So we talked about the tariffs. We talked about immigration. We talked about the big, beautiful bill and how that's going to be affecting things. We talked about the 1031 tax-deferred exchange. Is it protected? Simple answer, yes. Among other things. Things that are happening in Oklahoma City and Tulsa, timing, the whole smash. So if you want to get involved with us, if you want to get this kind of information, because I'm residentially and commercially trained, we got a great team, we want you to be the most educated investor out there. It makes for better decisions and makes you want to buy more from us. And that's what we really want from you. We want success after success after success. In the comment section, if you like this, if you want to be involved with us, there's no obligation, for you to buy. We hope that you do. Give us your name, give us your email address. You have a Zoom meeting if you want. We'll be happy to kind of share some information that'll really help you out. So this has gone a little bit long, but I really want you to know things are rolling right now. I think the second half of the year is going to be fantastic. It's a great time to get on investing in real estate, the safest investment that I know of with the greatest amount of return.